Now, before the major news, the latest leak from Reliable Tipster EV Leak shows images of the Wear OS 3.5 with One UI Watch 4.5 on top. Now, the software is going to be pre-installed on the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5 series, the Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro. And the biggest feature leaked here is just a QWERTY keyboard from Samsung, which you can easily get on the current Watch 4 using the Gboard. Now, you will be able to use swipe gestures on this keyboard too, so that's a good thing. And then we have some accessibility features like adjusting the left and right sound balance, applying color filters and all those stuff. Now, the images also shows that the dual SIM capabilities might also be supported on these devices. Now, aside from that, the leaked watch faces shown are not so different from the ones that came with the current Wear OS on the Galaxy Watch 4 series. So, I don't know. It's not so different. I mean, simply same. So what's the big news then? We've already heard quite a bit of things about the Galaxy Watch 5, but here are two things that you don't know. First, there would be a lot price hike, and the second, it will not feature a physical rotating bezel, but instead it will feature a kind of physical rotating bezel. So this year's Galaxy Watch 5 lineup will replace the classic model with a Pro model. And the Pro model, according to a leaker, may feature a convex type bezel. And the watch surface will be flat, by the way, but the bezels will be slightly raised for the ease of use. And it will have haptic feedback, which will make you feel like it's a real thing. It's a physical rotating bezel, but it's not. According to him, the Watch 5 Pro looks so much premium and the battery life is phenomenal. And there is a reason behind it, I will tell you. The Watch 5 on the other hand will be almost the same as the Watch 4, same flat look. So what are the prices gonna be like? As per the tipster, the lineup will start at €300 for the 40mm Bluetooth only Galaxy Watch 5. This would be €30 more than the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4. Similarly, the 40mm LT Galaxy Watch 5 model will be again €30 more than the current model with cellular connectivity. He also mentions the 40mm standard Galaxy Watch 5 will be available in the colors gold, grey and silver. Next is the bigger model, the 44mm model. The Bluetooth model is rumored to cost around €350, which is literally €50 more than the current 44mm model. And the 4G LTE model would be priced at €400, which is again €50 more than the current LTE model of the 44mm Galaxy Watch 4. And the 44mm model will come in blue, grey and silver. The Watch 5 Pro on the other hand will be quite a bit costlier. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro on the other hand will come in only one size, 45mm. There is no smaller variant of it. And the Bluetooth only Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will set you back €490, whereas the LT model will cost €540. That's insane price tag. Now, for contrast, the 46mm Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is around €400 and the 4G model is €450. So that's the thing. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will have insane battery life, we've already heard. But why? Because it will offer bigger 572 mAh battery than the largest Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's variant's 361 mAh cell. Just think about it, it's a lot bigger, much more bigger. The Pro model is also rumored to feature titanium build and sapphire glass, which will not just only make it classy, but also quite a bit durable. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you gonna be happy to not see a classic model with physical rotating bezel, or are you gonna be disappointed? And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.